Let's build a rainy day makeup kit. All right, guys, if you need a full beat and a heartbeat, you need a rainy day makeup kit, and this is how you build one. Get all of your samples, all of your minis, all of the makeup that you love, but maybe don't reach for very often, and throw it in a bag. Here's what's in mine. I've got this entire set of Luxie brushes that I've never used. I got this like from a BoxyCharm like 4 years ago. I've got a duplicate of a foundation brush that I use quite often, so I'm throwing one of those in there. Throw a couple of these velour puffs in there just in case. If you have a beauty blender you want to throw in there, go ahead. I have a couple of different sample cards. This one is from Makeup Forever, and this one is from Kosas. So you've got a few options, something to brighten, something that's close to my skin tone, something that could be used as a bronzer or contour. I've got some compressed washcloths, just add water and clean up whatever mess. Some press-on nails because I'm extra like that. Hand sanitizer, that's very important. Lashes, glue, and tweezers. Mascara with a curler. I've got a couple of different options for lips. Then I have some skin prep. This is hyaluronic acid serum. This is a sample of sunscreen that can go in the bag. A multi-stick from Milk for my cheeks or lips. This is the blur stick from Milk. I'm gonna use that. We've got a couple of different lip pencils, a powder foundation, a sample of House Labs. I love this formula. A sample of the Bare Minerals skin tint. Love this. This is really good. Some alcohol wipes just in case. For eyeshadow, I've got a primer from NYX. I've got this 3B palette from Morphe. I really like this, but just don't reach for it very much. And then the Natasha Denona, and it has a beautiful shimmer in it that could be used as a highlighter. So these are obviously neutral palettes, which works for any situation and any complexion. Then there are my non-negotiables. I absolutely have to have my One Size setting powder. This is in translucent. That works for any occasion. I don't have a sample of this, so I have an extra full size of the Secure the Blur. I have my Point Made eyeliner, my Brow Kiki brow pencil, and then of course I have my Until Dawn mini setting spray. And I have to have a great lip gloss or lip oil, and that would be my LYS Speak Love lip oil. This is a non-negotiable. This is my ride or die. So all of this stuff would go into my rainy day makeup kit. What would go into yours?